a pro like me. Someday. 올, 좀 멋진데?
Any last words?
I still love you.